To reinstall macOS on your Mac, follow these steps. 1. Back up your data. Before reinstalling macOS, it's essential to back up all your important data to prevent data loss. You can use Time Machine or any other backup method you prefer. 2. Connect to power. Ensure that your Mac is connected to a power source to prevent it from shutting down during the installation process. 3. Access macOS recovery. Restart your Mac and hold down Command plus R keys simultaneously until you see the Apple logo or the spinning globe. This will boot your Mac into macOS recovery mode. 4. Erase the disk. Once you're in macOS recovery mode, select Disk Utility from the Utilities menu and click Continue. In Disk Utility, select your Mac's hard drive or SSD. Then click Erase. Choose the desired format, usually APFS for SSDs or macOS Extended, Journaled for HDDs, and give it a name. Click Erase to format the disk. 5. Reinstall macOS. After erasing the disk, close Disk Utility and select Reinstall macOS from the Utilities menu. Click Continue, and follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall macOS. You'll need to select the disk you just erased as the installation destination. 6. Complete the installation. Once the installation process is complete, your Mac will restart. Follow the on-screen setup instructions to configure macOS settings, create a user account, and restore your data from your backup if necessary. 7. Restore data. If you backed up your data using Time Machine or another method, you can now restore your files and settings from the backup. That's it. Your Mac should now be running a fresh installation of macOS. Make sure to reinstall any apps you need and configure your preferences to your liking.